In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Teachable course URL with students and guide students through the process of logging into these courses. We'll break down the steps to ensure you can easily make your course accessible and user-friendly. First, you'll need to visit teachable.com and log into your account. If you're handling multiple schools, make sure to select the correct one from your dashboard. Once you're in the right school, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar where you will find the Courses section. Clicking on this will display all the courses you have available. Next, choose the particular course you want to share with your students. Once you've selected the course, look again at the left panel and click on Sales Pages. This section is crucial because it's where you can manage how your course is presented to prospective students. Navigate to the Pages section within the Sales Pages. Here, under the Sales page, you should see your course listed. To get the link, focus on the right-hand side where you'll see 3 dots. Click on these dots for additional options and select Copy URL Link. This URL is a direct link to your course's sales page, which provides potential students with detailed information about what they will learn and what they can expect. Alternatively, you might want to preview what students see. By clicking on Preview, your course sales page will open in a new tab. Once it's open, simply copy the URL from your browser's address bar. This link can then be shared with anyone interested in viewing your course details and enrolling. Now let's turn to the student's process of logging in. Students should start by navigating to their specific school's Teachable URL. This is often a customized link that leads directly to their institution's portal. Most of the time, they'll find the login button conveniently located in the upper right corner of the page. For those students who already have a Teachable account linked to their school, they can opt for Login with Teachable. This simplifies access by using their existing Teachable credentials. Upon selecting this, they will typically be prompted to enter their email address and password that is associated with their Teachable account. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can easily distribute your course URL and guide students through the login process, ensuring they have a smooth and efficient experience joining your course. Remember, providing clear access is key to enhancing their learning journey. Thank you for watching, and happy teaching on Teachable.